Hello guys, my name is Rohit and you're watching Rohit's Fit. In today's video, we are going to unbox outdoor CPE from Tp-Link. I have this box. You can check this out. Okay, I have this two units over with me. Okay, as you can see here, I have two units. Okay, talking about firstly, what is this CPE, outdoor CPE? Basically, the CPEs are used for point-to-point connection. Okay, now in my home, I'm going to set up this as I live in a rural place. Okay, the device will be carrying the internet connection over around 5 kilometers. It's approximately 5 kilometers, and the actual is 4.70 kilometers as I have measured the distance over Google Earth. So talking about this Tp-Link, this is the unboxing and review video. This will be the video about how this works and what is the more. Let me tell you more about the point-to-point connection. Okay, basically this is directional antenna over here. So this is very directional. Okay, and there is also another model. It is omnidirection. Okay, this device used circular frequency or like circular beam for the internet projection, and this is directional, so it produces like a beam and the client side antenna catches the beam, and the two devices are connected over there. Okay, so basically this is 300 Mbps 23 dBi outdoor CPE, and let's unbox this. So let's get started. Hello guys, welcome in another unboxing. Today we are going to unbox Tp-Link CPE, outdoor CPE. This is 23 dBi CPE for 300 Mbps. So I have ordered this from Mojilex. The link will be in the description. You can check out this. The two units cost me around 8,300. So one is for 4,000 something. So let's unbox it. Okay, remove the upper cover. Okay, good. So basically we have these two units. We need two units for point-to-point installation. You can check this out. Okay, it's heavy. The both device weighs around 3 kilograms. Okay, so let's keep this one product aside. Okay, you get here the bill. It's 8,398 rupees for two. Now this is 3G Wi-Fi. Okay, this is the dealer of Wi-Fi networking hardware and software, so it's good. Now talking about this one. Okay, so let this aside. Now this is the Tp-Link 5 GHz 300 Mbps 23 dBi outdoor CPE. Okay, this is very directional, and the company says that it can range up to 15 plus kilometers. So let's remove this upper layer. Okay, this is Tp-Link. Now the outer package is very well designed. Okay, you can see the image of the directional antenna and some of the specifications provided here. Okay, now talking about the from bottom, you also get different languages specifications and something model number over here. On this side you get the assembly procedure. On this side the installation and some technical specifications are mentioned here. Okay, this device also have the lightning protection of 6 kilowatts. So this is waterproof, lightning proof, and 23 dBi dual polarized directional antenna it is. So now let's look inside. Now talking about the main feature, it's have 3 years of warranty. Now let's Remove the uppercase where it's from. Okay, I think from here. Okay, this is like this. Okay. Now we get the quick installation guide, so you can read this and have fun. So on the upper side we also get one of these. This is the license of selling this. We get the power cable. Okay, talking, this is the LNB unit. Okay, you also get the balancing measuring scale over here with this blue color water. Okay, the build quality is very good actually. Keeping it aside, this is protection cover, and this is the main device. Okay, this is LNB. Okay, you have here Ethernet and some of the lights and LED specification. Okay. Okay, this is very heavy metal case for adjustment. Let's remove this. Okay, you can check the some of the degree over here. So we will be installing it from some other agent, so we are not going to install it. I will be showing you how we install that. And some screws over here, metal screws, and to fix it, and a power adapter. Okay, you get this Tp-Link power adapter with PoE. It is work on PoE, power through Ethernet, so there is no worry. You can take up to 30 meters of height or install it over your rooftop. Now let's remove this. Okay, here we get the plate casing of this. Okay, so you need two units to install this point to point. Okay, on one box content we have this much of accessories. Let's count it: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, we get total 10 units inside it. So 10 units, and another box also have same contents. So the detailed video of installing this will be in some future, in some days. So you make sure you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. And I hope you will like this video and find this video informative. So let's see you in another video. Till then, stay tuned.